This is literally
Delightful. Really delightful.
not delightful. That's right. This is gonna be a very weird video. This for an hour. And also solving a Rubik's Cube so I don't lose my mind. Yeah. This is probably going to be a new series as well. Maybe, depending on how this one goes. Thinking about calling it, Wasting My Life. Yeah. So let's get into this and, turn up that volume.
I am the yeast of thoughts and mind. Schwabble double glibber glubber shwibble schwab glub. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber glub schwab. Schwabble double glibber glubber shwibble schwab glub. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber schwab glub.
Time to do it all over again.
Really delightful. I'm the Globglogabgalab. I love.
I'm gonna hear this about 60 times.
Is a true treasure trove. I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blubber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and mind. Schwabble double glibber glubber schwibble schwab glub. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glubber schwibble schwab glub. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber schwab glub. Oh, splendid. Simply delicious. Oh, really?
Are you ready for your third time?
I love
This is gonna be great. And my cat now wants to jump into my lap. We can do this.
I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blubber blab.
Oh boy. Hi, Spice.
Really delightful. I'm the Globglogabgalab.
This is round 4.
And this basement is a true treasure trove.
Come on. At least I'm not alone in this, right?
I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blubber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am.
Okay,
the
lay
yeast
down.
of thoughts and mind. Schwabble double glibber glubber schwibble schwab glub. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glubber schwibble schwab glub. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber schwab glub. Oh,
Trying to solve this Rubik's Cube.
splendid. Simply delicious. I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blubber blub. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind.
Let's do it again.
Really delightful. I'm the Globglogabgalab. I love books, and this basement
This is the
a
5th
true
time?
treasure trove.
Maybe?
Simply delicious.
I think some of you are gonna kill me for this video.
I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wobble gobble flibber.
Ow!
I'm full
Spice.
of schwibble glibber kind.
Don't do that.
I am the yeast of thoughts and mind. Schwabble double glibber glubber schwibble schwab glub. Gibble double shwibble schwabble glibber glibber glubber schwibble schwab glub.
Oh yeah, my hair is wet. And it's gonna be dry by the end of this video.
Gibble double shwibble schwabble glibber schwab glub. Oh,
Spice.
splendid. Simply delicious. I am delightful.
Number 7.
I'm the Globglogabgalab. I love books.
I bet you've already clicked off this video by now.
True treasure trove.
Although I know like maybe 2 people who would actually maybe survive this whole hour with me.
I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blubber blab.
You know, pretty soon I'm gonna be able to
Really
pronounce those words.
I love books, and this basement.
I mean,
is a
I
true
can
treasure trove.
with the lyrics. And yes, there are lyrics. But I can't do it fast.
Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds.
No, Spice, you can't leave.
And this basement
Is this number 9? 10. Huh. Or 11, or yeah, 10. I'm already on the 10th one. Haha. Just 50 more to go. I have the yellow cross, but this is the part that always gets me. This is literally not delightful. I can never do this. I mean, I can, but I don't get it. Ow! Wait, is that supposed to... What?
I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab.
Oh no.
Simply delicious.
What did I do? Apparently when you do an algorithm but then do it again backwards, it doesn't bring you back to where you were.
I'm the Globglogabgalab.
And that doesn't even make sense.
And this basement is a true treasure trove.
I've already listened to this for 21 minutes.
I'm the Globglogabgalab. I love books. And this basement
This thing
is a true treasure trove.
is a time traveling machine. Especially when you don't understand what the heck you're
I
doing.
am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber.
When this is Orient, does it mean this or this?
Schwabble double glibber glabber shwibble schwab dab. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber schwab glab.
I don't under. Says to
Splendid.
have it in the bottom left corner. But does that mean that when it's yellow on the top, do you have it there?
The schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts.
We
and
will find
minds.
out.
Schwabble double glibber glabber shwibble schwab. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glabber shwibble schwab dab. Dibble double
Okay,
shwibble
that is
shwabble glibber
solved.
schwab glab.
And that one's solved.
Delightful. Really delightful. I'm the Globglogabgalab. I love books.
How do I do
This
diagonals?
basement is a true treasure trove.
Now let's see if I'm even doing this correctly.
Splendid. Simply delicious. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glabber shwibble schwab dab. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber schwab glab. Oh, splendid. Simply delicious. I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Schwabble double glibber glabber shwibble schwab glab. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glabber shwibble schwab dab. Dibble double shwibble shwabble glibber schwab glab. Delightful. Really delightful. I'm the Globglogabgalab. I love books. And this basement is a true treasure trove. I am the Globglogabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab.